Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about one of the option is ATM Space Rental. Nowadays ATM centers are increasing day to day very well. While going to bank and withdrawing cash is becoming the oldest way. Nowadays in the new modern system, by putting the debit card, they are getting the money from the from the ATM center. So it is easy. So ATM space rentals are also increasing. So in very big Saurasthas and four-way centers, ATM centers are there. So many banks, so ATM centers will be useful not only for that particular bank. Other banks also they can withdraw the money and they will settle themselves. Likewise, ATM centers are using very well. So space rental is also a big issue nowadays because four ways of street corner means it is a rich area, a rich corner, demanding corner. In that one space for four human beings will go and come back while withdrawing the money or depositing the money. For that system, it is very useful. So ATM space rental is also a very beneficial and profitable issue. So anyone is having the space in his building or corner, he can give the rent for only for ATM space rental. So ATMs. A commercial space is always yields good profits. Renting your space to bank ATM will yield fixed monthly profits. So monthly profits also will come because they will give rent. By that also you can enjoy that income, so that it will be useful. And one thing also I will say in this case, ATMs means almost all 60% of ATM centers are withdrawals only withdrawal centers only. But some money deposit machines are also there. That is those will be called as MDMs. In MDMs also you can withdraw the money and deposit the money. But money deposit machine is also will be there. By that you can deposit the cash with your ATM card in that machine. So it will also be useful likewise. But 60% to 70% are only withdrawal ATM centers are there, and around 20% are there nowadays, especially in India. 20% only are there. Deposit machine, cash deposit machines also available. That those will be called as CDMs. Cash deposit machines are also available. So these will be very heavily useful to them. If anyone is having huge money, he can deposit in CDM itself, cash deposit machine itself, with his ATM card, so that it is comfortable to the money, comfortable to them, and comfortable to the bank also. So likewise you can utilize that ATM space very well. If a bank is interested to give, they can give CDM centers and withdrawal centers also according to the demand and rotation of the public. Wishing you all the best.